Hello everyone, myself Mahesh Manke, Assistant Professor, Department of Pharmacology, Nanan College of Pharmacy, Latur. Here we will discuss about antidepressant drugs. First of all, what is mean by depression? Depression is a mood disorder that causes a persistent feeling of sadness and loss of interest. It affects how you feel, think, and behave, and can lead to a variety of emotional and physical problems. You may have trouble doing normal day-to-day activities, and sometimes you may feel as if life is not worth living. Next, antidepressant drugs. These are the drugs which are used in treatment of depression are known as antidepressant drugs. Antidepressant drugs which can elevate mood in depressive illness. Practically, all antidepressant drugs affect monoaminergic transmission in the brain in one way or the other, and many of them have other associated properties. Next, classification of antidepressant drugs. It is classified into four main classes. First class, reversible inhibitors of MAO-A. Examples are moclobemide, chlorgyline. Second main class, tricyclic antidepressants, which is subdivided into again two classes. In that first subclass, noradrenaline and 5-HT reuptake inhibitors. Examples, imipramine, amitriptyline, trimipramine, doxepin, clomipramine. Then second subclass, predominantly noradrenaline reuptake inhibitors. Examples are desipramine, nortriptyline, amoxapine, reboxetine. Then third main class, selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors. Examples are fluoxetine, fluoxamine, paroxetine, sertraline, citalopram, S-citalopram. And fourth main class, atypical antidepressant drugs. Examples are trazodone, mianserin, mirtazapine, amineptine, bupropion, etc. Next, MAO inhibitors. So first of all, what is meant by MAO? MAO, monoamine oxidase, is a mitochondrial enzyme involved in the oxidative deamination of pyogenic amines such as adrenaline, noradrenaline, dopamine, and serotonin. The two isoenzyme forms of MAO have been identified. In that first one, MAO-A preferentially deaminates serotonin and noradrenaline and is inhibited by chlorgyline and moclobemide. Then second, MAO-B preferentially deaminates phenylethylamine and is inhibited by selectyl. Then dopamine is degraded equally by both isoenzymes, that is MAO-A and MAO-B. Then next is the distribution of MAO-A and MAO-B also differs. MAO-A predominates in peripheral adrenergic nerve endings, intestinal mucosa, and human placenta. MAO-B predominates in certain areas, mainly serotonergic of brain and its platelets. Liver contains both isoenzymes, that is MAO-A and MAO-B. The selectively MAO-A inhibitor possesses antidepressant property. Selegiline selectively inhibits MAO-B at lower doses, that is 5 to 10 mg per day, but these are not effective in depression. Next, MAO inhibitor interactions. So first, MAO inhibitor interaction with cheese. Certain varieties of cheese, beer, wines, pickled meat, fish, and yeast extract contains large quantity of tyramine, dopamine, etc. In MAO inhibited patient, these indirectly acting sympathomimetic amines, and hence it produces hypertensive crisis, and cerebrovascular accidents. When such a reaction occurs, it can be treated by IV injection of rapidly acting alpha blocker, example phentolamine. Prazosin or chlorpromazine are alternatives for MAO inhibitors to avoid cheese reactions. Next, MAO inhibitor interactions with cold and cough remedies. Cold and cough remedies contains ephedrine or other sympathomimetics, which produces hypertensive reactions. Then MAO inhibitors with reserpine, guanethidine and tricyclic antidepressants, which produces excitement, rise in blood pressure and body temperature. MAO inhibitors with levodopa, which again produces excitement and hypertension. MAO inhibitors with anti-Parkinsonism anticholinergics. It shows hallucination and symptoms similar to atropine poisoning. MAO inhibitors with barbiturate, alcohol, opioids and antihistaminics. Action of these drugs is intensified and prolonged. MAO inhibitors with pethidine. It produces high fever, sweating, excitation, delirium, convulsions and severe respiratory depression. Then reversible inhibitors of MAO-A, example moclobemide. It is a reversible and selective MAO-A inhibitor with short duration of action. Full monoamine oxidase activity is restored within 1 to 2 days of stopping the drug. Clinical trials have shown moclobemide to be an efficacious antidepressant comparable to tricyclic antidepressant except in severe cases. It lacks the anticholinergic, sedative, cognitive, psychomotor and cardiovascular adverse effect of atypical tricyclic antidepressants and is safer in overdose. This makes it a particularly good option in elder patients and in those with heart disease. Adverse effects of moclobemides are nausea, dizziness, headache, insomnia, rarely excitement and liver damage. Next, tricyclic antidepressant, example imipramine. Imipramine is an analogy of chlorpromazine, was found during clinical trials in 1958 to selectively benefit depressed but not agitated psychotics. In contrast to chlorpromazine, it inhibited noradrenaline and serotonin reuptake into neurons. A large number of congers were soon added and collectively called antidepressant drugs. So look the structure of imipramine. So it comes under category tricyclic antidepressants. It consists of 3 cycles or 3 rings. Next, mechanism of action. Tricyclic antidepressant and related drugs inhibit active reuptake of biogenic amines, noradrenaline and 5-HT in their respective neurons and thus potentiate them. Inhibition of noradrenaline and 5-HT reuptake is associated with antidepressant property. So look this diagram. So presynaptic neuron and postsynaptic neuron. So that presynaptic neuron which consists of noradrenaline and 5-HT, that noradrenaline and 5-HT which released in that synaptic cleft. After releasing in the synaptic cleft, it binds with receptors on postsynaptic neurons, and remaining neurotransmitters again reuptake back in the presynaptic neurons. Tricyclic antidepressant drugs which blocks that reuptake of serotonin and noradrenaline back in presynaptic neurons, which available more neurotransmitters, that is noradrenaline and 5-HT in that synaptic cleft, and hence it enhances antidepressant action. Then pharmacological actions. So first of all, action on central nervous system. In normal individuals, it induces peculiar clumpy feelings, tiredness, light headachenes, sleepiness, difficulty in concentrating and thinking, unsteady gait. In depressed patient, little acute effects are produced except sedation. All tricyclic antidepressants lower seizure threshold and produce convulsions in overdose. Then action on autonomous nervous system. They potentiate exogenous and endogenous noradrenaline by blocking uptake, but also have weak alpha-1 adrenergic blocking action. Some tricyclic antidepressants like amitriptyline, doxepin, trimipramine have slight H1 antihistaminic action as well. Then pharmacological action on cardiovascular system. It produces tachycardia, postural hypotension, ECG changes and cardiac arrhythmia. Next, pharmacokinetics. The oral absorption of tricyclic antidepressant is good, though often slow. They are highly bound to plasma and tissue proteins and have large volume of distribution, that is near about 20 liter per kg. They are extensively metabolized in liver. Active metabolites desipramine and nortriptyline selectively formed. Metabolites are excreted in urine over 1 to 2 weeks. The plasma T-half of amitriptyline, imipramine and doxepin ranges between 16 to 24 hours. Adverse effect: dryness of mouth, bad taste, constipation, epigastric distress, urinary retention, blurred vision, palpitation, sedation, mental confusion, weakness, increased appetite, weight gain, mania, sweating, tremors, seizure, postural hypotension, cardiac arrhythmia, rashes and jaundice. Then drug interactions. Tricyclic antidepressant potentiate directly acting sympathomimetic amines in cold or asthma remedies. Tricyclic antidepressant reduces antihypertensive action of guanethidine and clonidine. Tricyclic antidepressant potentiate CNS depressant including alcohol and antihistaminic drugs. Phenytoin, phenylbutazone, aspirin and chlorpromazine can displace tricyclic antidepressants from protein binding sites and cause its toxicity. Phenobarbital induces as well as competitively inhibits imipramine metabolism. Selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors inhibit metabolism of several drugs including tricyclic antidepressants. Tricyclic antidepressants delay gastric emptying and retard their own as well as other drugs absorption due to their anticholinergic property. Next, MAO inhibitors shows dangerous hypertensive crisis with excitement and hallucination has occurred when given with tricyclic antidepressants. Reference. Thank you very much.